Ooh, look at this green on here, gang. This Rod Wave Donk right here. This thing nice. He got them gold daddies on there. Ooh, let's see it, gang. Let's see it. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally touched down in Miami, Florida, man. You guys peeped the mansion out and all the above, man. We are still here. Last night we pretty much chilled in all the above, man. But today we're actually gonna have some fun, man. We might go hop on the jet skis. I don't know. We're gonna go down to Miami to the beach and all that today and go get a whole bunch of ooh and ah effect, man. I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole ooh and ah giveaway, we are more than halfway sold out, man. It's finally almost that time to shine, and this one actually went a little bit quicker than the other ones, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, you guys might want to get in now, because once it's gone, man. You guys already know we got our 2020 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, man, you get a Hellcat wide body and a Harley for second place. Meanwhile, third place, we got another Road Glide special up for grabs, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either one of these things, man, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you an Everything Regular wallet for only $35, man. Today only is $35, man. So you can have a chance to win something great just for supporting your boy Everything Regular and supporting at a really low cost, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over there right now. Go get your wallet, man. Go get you each and every one, because you never know, man. You can win one prize, you can win two prizes, you can win all three, man. The choice is yours. Head on over there right now and go support your boy, because you never know, man. We could be pulling up to Yodo with one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here to Houston picking up your truck or your Hellcat and your bike all in one, man. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. It's feeling real hot out here, real bright and early and all that. The sun is shining, the pool is gleaming, man. So I can't wait. Let's check it out, gang. All righty. The grass is greener on the other side. The grass is greener on the other side, man. We got the big pool right here. Real hot jacuzzi tub with the oohs and the ahs, man. We got a pool party tomorrow, so we gonna have a whole lot of oohs and ahs, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that, because I'm gonna have some exclusive content for y'all, man. Y'all see the pool right here is gonna be filled with beautiful, beautiful, you feel me? We got bra straps and all that in the pool. We got undies and everything over there, man. You guys know what time it is. You guys know what the movie is about to consist of, man. So I can't wait, man. I'm about to actually get up in here and get dressed for the day, and we gonna see what's good, man. So I'll catch you guys in a second, gang. It's up. All right, gang. So we outside, man. We got both of the Escalades back to back, man. We actually about to do a Walmart run, man. You guys know we got the whole parlay going down, man. So if you in Miami, man, don't hesitate to pull up on your boy, your main man, Everything Regular himself. It's about to be a movie, man. I'm telling you, it's about to be a movie. We still at the mansion right now. Like I said, guys, we are pulling out the freaking Escalades back to back. Literally back to back. Y'all see what's going on. Now, I think I forgot my phone. I forgot.
Camera my side. Hey, I'm going back to them days.
Come on, gang, it's up.
I'm ready to get home. Get my damn camera. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's up.
I'm gonna have my camera in my hand, bro.
Hey, we might gotta stop at Best Buy.
Huh?
We might gotta stop at Best Buy right now. I'm gonna go grab my phone real quick. Hold on. I was about to be that motherfucker. I was about to be in there looking for nothing. Looking.
You ready?
Yeah. Whew, presidential. That's how we pulling up, man. I can dig it. Yeah, man. Go ahead and fill out that Escalade, OG. I know you got one, but this the new one.
It's the new.
Yes, sir.
This thing feel nice.
Feel nice, right?
Believe that real nice.
Come on, gang. I bet your truck ain't got TVs in it.
Alright, fuck you.
You got TVs? Alright, well, let me see what you got. You got big sunroof?
Yeah, big sunroof in that bitch.
Hey, you got satellite? Wait, what's your dash looking like? Can you see the front? Can you see the front though? Can you see the street? Cause we can see the street in this, gang. Can you see the street?
What you mean?
Okay, I'm just making sure you can see the street, man. Y'all see what's going on. Back to back though.
In the pre-seat in the beat.
Oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice. That was funny, man. This guy hilarious. All right, gang, man. Y'all remember last time we pulled up to Walmart, we all got like kicked out. So hopefully we don't get kicked out no more, man. Hopefully we good, man. We gonna see what's going on, gang. I can't wait. All right, guys, man. So you guys know we down here in Miami, man. We gotta check out the hottest of the hottest donks in town, man. So we just pulled up to I-95 Motorsports, man. We about to check out some of these donks they got. Let's see. Ooh, look at this green on here, gang. Look at the green on here. Look at the green top. I'm digging it. This thing cold. Got them gold daddies on there with the 4Gs. Yeah, that thing nice. This thing is hard.
How I am. Cause I just want my vision to come to reality.
This clean. I like this. This clean and custom, man.
Yeah, this man here.
Let me show you stuff
This thing is nice.
you can't see on that.
What y'all think? That's your boy, no. Look at the Dayton's on this thing right here, baby boy. ZL1 motor. Fresh out the Camaro or the Corvette. Gold, everything. Every bolt touched. God damn. He got some ooh and ah effect to this one right here. Just look at the hood. Gold, everything. Gold, everything. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. What y'all think about it, man? Y'all let your boy know. I-95, y'all know where we at, man. Miami. It's a movie. I see what it is, though, gang. Got the gold things on there. Ooh. Trimming all down the side of the car. It's hard. It's the one. I like this one right here, gang. They got the color, little reflector, and everything. Look at that. This Ride Wave car right here. This Ride Wave donk right here. This thing nice. He got them gold daddies on there. He got the Bear brakes on there. Y'all see what's behind them spokes, man. He ain't playing. Gang said he ready. He got the LT5 Corvette motor. Fresh out the box. Look at that. Headers, everything. And it look clean under here. That's the thing, y'all. You be seeing these cars be wires and stuff everywhere. My guy over here getting it right, man. You gotta let him know where we at one time, man.
I-95 Motorsports.
I-95 Motorsports, man. Y'all know where to come to, gang. Y'all know where to come to. They got the gold and everything and everything. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Got the black top on him. Nice little black top. Interior look good. Brown on the floor. Got the cream steering wheel and everything. Hey Rod, you might got me beat on this one, gang. This one nice. I ain't gonna hold you, gang. This one real nice. Real nice. Look at the color on there. That green definitely hitting. And it look like he gonna have some slap. What, 412s? 412s on that thing. That thing look good. They got the old school, what is that, like a Malibu or a Nova? Yeah, Malibu. They got the other little pieces right here. Don't step on them. I see they got the other don't.
Some people double side
Twin turboed out though.
We build all kinds of stuff.
That's twin turbo.
You can turn the lights on for and stuff.
This color is nice.
Super good LED on everything.
I like this color in here, gang. They got the grayish. I don't even know what color this is. Man, what's this color called? He like, man, I don't even know, bro.
To be honest, this color was made through a mix of, all right, we're going to make this batch.
Okay.
Right, this is the color. Now, you know what? Let's pour something else.
Right, huh?
5 or 6 times.
Yeah, you just made it up.
Then you pull it out. And
Right.
So you know what? This is it.
This is it.
This is it.
Okay,
We can't even remake
You can't even remake it. Wow.
it. Yeah, so if it gets scratched, you
Oh,
have to paint
the whole car a different color. That's nuts, man. Y'all see it here first. I'm telling you, this thing is hard. If y'all can see it in person, just looks so freaking dope. We got the inside in here. They got it all insulated and everything. Ready to get it right. Come on, gang. It just looks so good. All the trimming ups here and everything just look crazy. Big fat daddy lips on the back of there. Big fat daddy whips. 412s in the back. 412s in the back, gang. Come on. Y'all see how they coming. I like it. Definitely look cold. And turboed out. Lucy Boo in the cut. Got the LED lights on this one. 995. I see it look cold, man. Y'all did that.
But I already know about my car now. I ain't almost sorry.
Ooh, they popped the trunk for me though. Caprice Classic 1975 with the oohs in the eye. Yeah, with the boombox back there. Y'all see what's going on, gang? Every detail. Come on, gang. Yeah, point them out for me, cause it's so much to take in, man. You gotta point them out for me, man.
Look, ain't no tape lines in these, jams.
Y'all see what's going on? I'm digging it with the gold on the bolts. Come on, gang. With the gold on the bolts, even the screws is gold. God, come on, go. That shit crazy. I like this one right here with the license plate to match with the gold on there. Now that's player. I gotta get that. I like that, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. This thing is freaking fly. I ain't gonna hold you. I-95. Y'all done did y'all thing, gang. Definitely different. Like, I done seen a lot of donks in person. These three alone, just the setup, you can see how clean it's gonna be when they 100%.
You see our shopping flooded with a million cars.
Right, you get the focus and stuff, yeah.
We
Quality.
done what we do, man.
Right. Hey,
You
man.
have a million cars in your shop and can't finish
You can't finish not one, huh?
Can't finish nothing. How about you get that shit done and move on to the next?
Right.
Ain't no deposit junkies over
Hey,
here.
man, I know when I want to get me a dunk done, I know where to come now. Y'all know what time it is, man. So what's your availability looking like, man?
Shit.
You backed up, huh?
We like a year and a half out.
A year and a half out.
That's what it is, man. We got a list with like 60 cars on that.
Wow. That's crazy.
As soon as one get done, hey.
The next one is, yeah.
You ain't ready?
Next year. That's crazy, man. Yeah, y'all know where to come to, gang. I'm telling you. They got them in here. This car speaks for itself. This thing in 1975 look like 2024. Oh, God. Sitting on them white wall things. Come on. Sitting on them white wall thing. I like this. I like that with the ooze up in there.
Look at the roof.
Look at the roof. Oh yeah, we got some gold up top too. We got gold on top the roof, man. Gold on top the roof, man. Oh yeah, let's see the mirror. Yeah, they had to bring the mirror out here, man. Pull the mirror out. Look, go get the camera. Let me see. Ooh, that's how y'all coming, gang? Look at all the ooze though. That's how they coming? I like that. Let me go get in the front, man.
Oh yeah, go up under the car.
Come on, gang. Oh yeah. Look, y'all see the frame, same color as the car, with the gold on the arms. Come on, man.
Golden chrome, homie.
Golden chrome. That's how y'all coming?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. See, you wouldn't even know this looking from just the top, bro. They don't do this.
Oh no, yeah.
Y'all went everything. We ain't seen nothing yet without what?
The whole belly of this car.
Oh, the whole belly. Let me go on the side, man. Let me go on the side, gang. The whole belly. Let me see that light. Where we at? Where you go? Oh, bet. Y'all see the color? Ooh.
Oh yeah.
The ooze. We got the ooze that go all the way back, man. We got the ooze that go all the way back. Y'all see the arms on there. Yeah, they did that.
I would get it, dude.
All under this motherfucker. I like this one. Sheesh. Y'all see what's going on, gang. Ooh, let's see it, gang. Let's see it. I like that. I like that. He clean. He clean for sure. He clean, gang. Woo! He clean for sure.
Oh yeah.
Let it warm up.
Oh yeah. This thing. Y'all see it in the sun. This thing is hard. Ooh. Yeah, that color change different.
My 71 is over now.
That thing different, man.
I got the over and I know the car now, y'all. It works for itself. I see everything right here.
It's different.
I see everything I need to see. I only got no more questions. It's over with.
It's different.
Find me
So,
a
gang.
builder, boy.
I like it.
Deep right here, man.
It's hard. That shit different. That color on there is hard, y'all. Now you can see the detail a little bit better.
Let my guy do it, man. I got it.
What's up, gang? We down here at I-95 Customs.
Every detail loaded, like there.
All right.
No capping and talk. I see them my 4 eyes. I know I got 20,000.
Yes, sir. That ain't cool. I like that. I like that.
Escalade 20 factory.
Nigga, go.
Nah, different. If you different, the wheel only cost those right there is like 9K. So they dip it probably like 5 or 6.
Fucking loud, boy.
Nothing like the audience.
Right. Yeah, okay. Let's see if he gonna spin the block. He gonna spin the block? Is he? Is he gonna spin the block? Come on, gang.
You're gonna come back.
Ooh, if he spin the block, I might just have to go to the bank. Ooh, that motherfucker nice. Come on, man. What you got for me? Yeah, he nice. Nice with the O's and the I's. Y'all see what's going on? Come on, hit. Oh, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit your boy. Don't hit your boy, Ed. Don't hit your boy, Ed. Come on, Ed. Nice. Be nice, for sure. Yeah, that thing nice, man. I like that. Yeah. What type of motor he got in there?
Shit, that's the LT4 right there.
LT4, that's that supercharged thing, huh?
That's supercharged.
Pretty good for out the box, huh? Out the box. I ain't touch it.
He
says on the factory
warranty.
Factory warranty.
Yeah.
Out the box.
That's how he feeling, man?
Out the box.
Yeah, that thing.
You want to build motors.
We can just get one out the box. Hey, what? Say that again? Man, come on, man. This shit fucked me up for the day, man. I'm off the car out here so fast, man. It's over with, bro. This bitch rides so crazy, bro. Like a new car.
Smooth, ain't it?
Smooth and it's getting down. I'm talking about this motherfucker.
Yeah, the way you drive it, I can only imagine. He was babying it compared to how I know this guy here is. But, all right, you know.
Yeah, you gotta see my body shape. That bitch is running.
It's 3-inch, all stainless steel.
So,
And then it's got the Stainless Brothers exhaust on it for the mufflers.
you got I like this on
No, why?
All right, man, next morning here, man. Y'all see what it is. We got the full spread on here.
I'm gonna say karma some of that beer because I know spread wasn't eating pork for 30 days.
Full little spread, come on. With the smoke that come out the top.
Everybody really need a smile like tomorrow.
No, I don't really like being on camera.